Hi everyone, here we've got a GIGASET GS190 and let me share with you how to reset digital rights management on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's tap on Advanced, and right under it we've got Reset Options. At the very first position we've got the option we are actually looking for, so let's tap on it and tap on it again. Right now your device will ask you if you really want to reset DRM because this operation will delete all the licenses on this device. So if you want to continue, just tap on OK, and as you can see, the licenses have been deleted successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to reset digital rights management in your GIGASET GS190. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.